we've just finished another marketing AI masterclass, and our attendees were completely mind blown. It really is mind blowing. Some of these tools and the power that they have is incredible. And the cool thing is that they're only getting better and better and better. Even if I just look at some of these tools that I may have used maybe a few months ago to now, the output is so much better, so much stronger, and it's only accelerating. Now, the one tool I would love to share with you here right now is one software that you can use AI to create your digital twin. That's right, a digital copy of you. So what that means is basically this tool, and the tool that I'd love to share with you today is called HeyGen, Gen, and we'll add a link here too. It helps you to create an avatar of you that looks exactly like you and has a similar voice to you. My one actually didn't manage to recreate my accent, so my digital twin, one of them that I've created, has a very posh English accent, which is obviously nothing like my current accent, but it's still very impressive, and we'll show you a little clip too that I've created here, what it can do. So basically you create your digital twin, very easy, just a few clicks. You upload your video, like I could upload this video right now. I probably need to slow down how fast I talk and less hand movements, and maybe a bit better lighting, and then it will create your twin, and then all you need to do is give it a new script to then create a video using your digital twin that looks exactly like you.
Meet my digital twin, Frankie. I think I look much better in real life, but I may be delusional.
So it will be very impressive if you try it, and people will probably not even realize that it's not you. So what that then means is that you can really do content marketing on steroids. So you can then just get your digital twin to do any kind of video that you needed to do. And so it's quite impressive. You can use it, for example, for training videos for your team. Instead of you having to be in front of the camera, you could ask your twin to do the video. You just give it the content. You can use it for product demonstrations, of course, for your YouTube channel, for your blog or your video blog if you have one, for any kind of videos that you can come up with, for example, in the post-purchase sequence or in a nurturing sequence with your customers. The uses are incredible. So I would love to now share with you a quick clip that I've created with my digital twin, and then of course also would love to hear from you how you go using this tool, and would love to see some of your deepfake videos. You can share them with us too. Just tag us on social media with @BasicBananas, and we will check you out too. So I hope this is super useful. We will do more updates. We will share more tools with you, because the world of AI right now is exponentially accelerating, and you want to be a part of this. You want to try these tools as early as you can, and you don't want to be left behind with this stuff. So hope this is super helpful.
Meet my digital twin, Frankie. I think I look much better in real life, but I may be delusional. Do you want to learn how to create your digital twin? We are hosting a marketing AI masterclass, and you are super welcome to join in the fun.